scattered showers, winders. Where are we going? Oh shit.
Welcome back to a brand new MobSquad video. Not the Mob Pod, MobSquad.
I'm Tristan.
I'm Houston.
Today we're messing with the Honda again. Oh, you're going? Well, you could say like 3, 2, 1.
Definitely have to add that in.
Come on, plan is we're gonna pull a bunch of stuff off of here so that we can set it on the newer engine.
New to us.
So we can transfer it over, pull it out, and throw it away.
Word.
You got a bucket or something?
I got a pan and then a bucket we can always pour it in. You know what this weather makes me want to do? Watch Twilight. That too, but mostly Twilight. Dang. Kind of looks like pee.
Nice.
Okay, so that might be easier than we thought.
Oh.
Because usually it's like a long one, you know, with like a weird gear on the end.
Yeah.
That's okay. That's not bad.
Oh. Well, shit. I got it. Because I have magic fingers. Ask my wife.
We actually, well, I was just thinking, we don't have to take off the starter because we're leaving the transmission in, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, so we don't even have to do that.
But no, there's no way it was far from blowing up. Well, maybe it's a Honda. And if you're asking yourself, or asking us, why didn't you just take the engine out? Why didn't you just take the engine out? We didn't want to yet. We know what we're doing.
Something like that.
Intake manifold is good. Disconnected. It's just still getting hung up by something down there. Oh man.
It smells bad.
It smells pretty bad.
Pretty dang bad.
Did you just drill on me?
That wasn't me, boss.
No, it's leaking.
Oh, I was like,
Did you just drill on me?
well, it happened right when he said that, so I was like,
What the heck? Just like heat shrunk on there. Now I drilled on you. Or it missed you just barely.
oh my god.
Chop it?
Yeah, chop that bitch. Well, do it. Try to do it close. Well,
That is gasoline.
intake manifold is out.
That was a pain in the butt.
You have your pry bar up there too.
Yeah, that's true. All right, here, try it again.
Oh.
Okay, that is the frame.
Oh, and that's extended all the way out already.
Yeah. Okay, let me grab the jack.
Is it really stuck on there? It felt like there was some give to it.
I mean,
Watch your hands.
oh, duh.
I don't know what we're scraping. Oh, the oil pan.
Well, because for some reason the frame's lower down here. That's what it was kind of getting stuck on. And I mean, actually, if we wanted, you could hit it from this side since we're already pulling that way.
We're already this far.
It's true.
It sounds so brutal. I think we're hitting the steering. No, we're just hitting the pan. I wonder if we can. Well, look, that should be close enough. We can manhandle it.
Yeah.
And then for the next one, we can do it from the side.
Yeah.
Whoops, here. Oh.
Do it to it. Crank it. All right, Batman.
Oh, are we
I
putting?
think we're lifting the car.
Hey, maybe it'll slide all the way under there now.
Yeah, it probably should now.
Oh my gosh! Should I let off on it? Just
I'd let off a hair.
Sandwiches at lunch. Clean hands. Wonder what that's like. I worked 40 hours just today.
It's the thing.
Let's sit back in. Wait. Okay. Nope. Okay. It's hooked on this side. Lower it. Just lower it. Just lower the hoist. Oh. Just lower the hoist. Okay. I was putting so much force on that. Okay.
Keep going.
We're good. We're good. As long as it doesn't hook onto anything else.
Right.
Oh.
Let's do our thing.
Bingo.
Oh.
No.
Well, that was productive.
Yes, it was.
definitely know now. Just put the transmission on it.
We hope you enjoyed that as much as we did. If you ever want to know how to pull an engine out,
Don't follow this video.
don't. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe.
Hit that bell.
Join
Follow
the
the
Discord.
MobPod. Yeah,
Subscribe. Join us on Discord.
Go subscribe to the MobPod.
We'll see you in the next video. Love you, bye.
Bye.